Guys, look at this. We are barbecuing today because the sun is so hot. I don't know how many degrees, but it's really, really hot. And look, I got my hat too. And look, this is sea bugs and sea bream. Look at that. It's so pretty. This. And the aubergine and the pumpkin, butternut squash. This is my clematis, and my hot lip salvia, and this is my seed.
It's too small. Yeah, but we might fall down.
Ta-da! I'm watching my thing. I'm like a vendor in the street. Vendor in the street. Yeah.
Barrio Fiesta.
So this is like a street food, barbecuing, selling. It's nice to barbecue, guys. This is our first barbecue of this year.
It's the first time we've had nice weather on a weekend.
Yeah, this is the
First
first
time
nice
for
weather.
how many weeks now?
Yes.
I've lost count.
Yes.
Been raining and more rain.
Look at this, guys. It's so tiny. it's for fishing. Yeah, because it says here,
That's a children's size.
fold 15-inch, fold away metal camping fish stool. So it's good for fishing. It's lightweight. It's very nice. I like it. But it's too tiny in the garden.
Yeah, that should be higher.
It's too tiny. It keeps on. I have to keep on turning so it doesn't burn.
Yeah.
Because the fish doesn't cook that too long. Just if it's overcooked, it becomes
Dry.
And the good thing of this fish, guys, is I'm the only one eating this.
Bon appetit.
Because my husband doesn't eat fish like this with bones, and I like eating fish with bones.
I like fish from a fish and chip shop, already buttered, no bones. And also a McDonald's fillet of fish. Again,
Yeah, but
no bones.
cannot
And
call
already
that
in a
fish.
bun
You
with
cannot-
tartar sauce.
You cannot call that fish because it's not. If you look at it, it's not fish. In here, you look at it, you can see it's fish. With all the trimmings. Two of the aubergines are ready. So the other two is still there. And the fish still cooking. So what I do is I put onions on the top. So these onions. So it there. Okay. There. Okay, so there, the onions. It's nice to barbecue onions. It's so nice. So just slightly barbecued. So this needs to turn. Okay, it's cooking nicely. Okay, so this is lamb and fish. Is sea bream. One sea bream in the middle of the lamb chops. Nice. I think the lamb and the fish they are done. It's nice and barbecued. Okay, now this is kofta. It's Turkish patties. So this is chicken kofta. So that's turn it there. So it's like a burger, chicken burger. The onion barbecuing nicely. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the onion are done, nicely barbecued, and the one in here now is what's that, darling?
Chicken fish.
Chicken shish. So is a chicken shish kebab. So that's the Turkish kebab. And then now we have to put the red pepper on top. Okay, and tomatoes. Okay, so I put the red pepper, tomatoes, and the green chilies. So in Turkish kebab, they always put the green chilies barbecued. So we do it as well. It's nice, nice, nice. Okay, so this is the last one to barbecue. The red peppers, the green peppers, and the tomatoes. And still the pumpkin is still there. The butternut squash. I think that takes time to cook, but I will leave it until later. I will leave it for a few more minutes after the tomatoes and the peppers are done. Okay guys, thank you for watching our first barbecue of the year 2024. Thank you and see you in our next video. Thank you. Tara! Love, love, love.